everyone, this is World Exposure. I guess I never knew that a mayor could actually be a dictator. Gavin Newsom, the mayor of San Francisco, announced a ban on city employee travel to Arizona since Arizona produced a new immigration law that would allow their local police to arrest any illegal immigrants. Now, I'm sure many of you have seen on the news the violent protesting against the law. That is if the media is actually deciding to show it and talk about it instead of talking about the people at tea parties being violent. Now, Gavin Newsom in San Francisco is probably just responding to Barack Obama saying that the law undermines basic notions of fairness that we cherish as Americans. Now, there is rioting at the demonstrations, there are legal challenges trying to overturn the law, and there's also a lot of people calling for the boycott on things like Arizona tea, trips to the Grand Canyon, and Arizona Diamondbacks baseball games. And with all that being said, the majority of people in Arizona are in favor of this law. So who are we living in other states to try to take that away from them? Arizona is where the majority of illegal immigrants come in, and the government sure as hell doesn't do anything about it. Some people in San Francisco want to boycott Arizona businesses based there, and if it's legal, even have them terminated. Mayor Newsom, however, isn't too sure about that, as it could bring about lawsuits depending on certain contracts. I mean, I can understand if cities within Arizona want to try to overturn the law. I think Phoenix, Tucson, and Flagstaff are actually considering that, but who is San Francisco to decide what is good for Arizona? It looks like Los Angeles might even follow along with San Francisco in boycotting. If the government is not going to protect us, then it's up to the states to take action. Republican Representative Debbie Riddle of Texas even says she will push for the same law in the January legislative session. And of course, the government will probably stick their noses in all of this to try to stop this law. However, the law, in a sense, is already working in Arizona's favor even before it goes into effect sometime this summer. Many Mexicans do not want to come in illegally now. Some of the ones who are here illegally are going to leave. And now maybe some will actually go about becoming an American citizen legally. If the government wants to create jobs for Americans and anyone who is here legally, then stopping this law is not the way to do it.